All right, so to get this on the bike, you've just got to get this diameter wide enough for your bar, and each bar is going to be different. So to get it on the bike, I just slide it over the bar, and I'm going to just twist this. And that's what makes this a unique and interesting tool, because you can put it on any bike bar, because you can make it wider or you can make it narrower. Now, you can also change the attitude on this. You could do a portrait like this, and you can even change the direction of it. So you can slide it, different ways. You can bring it up. You can do landscape. That would be like a landscape shot there, right? And this also turns, so it gives you the ability to rotate this. You just have to loosen this, and this will rotate all the way. Different where. This will rotate to different areas of the bar. So if you wanted to like shoot this way, you could just put it that way. You'd be shooting on an angle. If you wanted to go ahead and bring it around and shoot it like portrait style, you could do that. So I'm probably just going to shoot it this way. So you've got some different versatile ways that you can use this device to shoot your shots, depending on what you want to do. I mean, you can even do a Dutch tilt. Look, there's a Dutch tilt. You know what I mean? But let's just keep it up. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take it for a ride and see what we think. All right, here we go. All right. So as I'm riding, I can change the attitude of this too with my hand, because it isn't, it's not completely gripped on there. But if you hit a bump, it's still good. So I think this is going to be an excellent tool. Then to take it off, you just come back here, loosen it, bam, it's off. You're done. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.